1. Product Overview. The Lumyhealth Red Light Therapy Multi-Joint Wrap combines red light, heat, and massage to support joint comfort and recovery. It's designed to fit knees, elbows, and other joints. 2. How it works. Featuring 2 therapeutic wavelengths, including 660 nanometers red light and 850 nanometers near-infrared light, the wrap supports circulation and deep tissue relaxation. Built-in heat and massage enhance comfort and help ease stiffness. 3. How to use. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on or off. Adjust light intensity from P1 to P5. Select heat level L1, L3 for soothing warmth. Choose massage mode M1, M3 for gentle to deep stimulation. 4. Safety tips. Use 10 to 20 minutes per session. Start with low settings. Do not use on broken skin or near the eyes. 5. How to wear. Wrap securely around the target joint and fasten the straps for hands-free use.